Okay, so here what we have, employed Taylor's method to obtain the approximate value of y at x is equal to 0.2 for the differential equation dy divided by dx is equal to 2y plus 3 e raised to x y of 0 is equal to 1. Yes. So how to simplify? I will tell you. You please try and check your answer with the with this example. So already you have seen Taylor series method is solved using Taylor series expansion. So first,
Excuse me, sir.
yes,
Sir, up to what degree we have to approximate?
yes, I will tell you what degree. Here they have not mentioned any degree, means try to go for third degree only. Okay. If they have not mentioned, go for 3 degree. So we'll just take let y dash is equal to 2y plus 3 e raised to x. So this is given already, student. And what is given? They have told the initial condition y of 0 is equal to 1. This means that x naught is 0 and y naught is 1. So this is fixed. So this is given in every equation, every problem in Taylor's method. This will be given. You have to identify and write down correctly. Next, what we have here is we have to first write down the formula. So as I have told you that we are going to have the degrees, but here they have not mentioned. So to get accurate, at least third degree is required. So I'm going to write the formula T here. That is y of x is equal to y of x naught plus x minus x naught y dash of x naught plus x minus x naught square 2 factorial y double dash of x naught plus x minus x naught cube divided by 3 factorial y triple dash of x naught dot dot dot. So this is what you are going to use the Taylor series expansion. Okay, it's a very simple example. Substitute the values. What you are going to put? X naught is equal to 0, and already they have given the value of x. Yes, if you just see what is the value of x, x they have given it as, in the problem they have given already, it is 0.2. So this both the values they have given. Remember this, they will give these values. So I'll just show you. Then substitute one by one fast. Everyone try to solve this now. At least this much is given from the problem. Now here you are going to start your example. So y of x is equal to y of 0 plus, you can see x minus x naught. X naught is 0. So x is 0.2. So 0.2 y dash of 0, okay, plus 0.2 square upon 2 factorial y double dash of 0, okay, plus 0.2 cube upon 3 factorial y triple dash of 0. To get the accuracy, I'm going to go for the fourth order so that I'm going to get the good result. You just see, try both the one. So 0.2 raised to 4 upon 4 factorial y raised to 4 of 0. So this will become our equation 1. So probably you go for third degree or fourth degree. My suggestion is go for third degree if they have told you to find third degree. Otherwise, go for fourth degree. So that will be an accurate answer. There will be no problem. Yes. So consider y dash. So how you are going to write it? You just remember this. How to? This is very very important. Y dash is already given, student. So it is 2y plus 3 e raised to x. There is no doubt. Yes. Very good. Some of you got the answer. So y dash of 0. Y dash of 0 is what? Substitute 2 y naught plus 3 e raised to x naught. So wherever x is there x naught, y is there y naught. So y naught is 1. So 2 into 1 plus 3 into e raised to 0. So e raised to 0 means we take 1 only. Remember, e raised to 0 is 1. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So go for y double dash, differentiate, y will become y dash plus 3. What is differentiation of e raised to x? E raised to x only. So don't get confused here. So y double dash of 0 I will substitute. Y double dash of 0 is equal to 2 y dash 0 plus 3 x raised to e raised to x naught. So this is going to become 2 y dash 0 we have calculated it is 5, substitute 5 plus 3 e raised to 0. So this is going to, if we substitute, it is 15 plus 10 plus 3 will be 13. So immediately go for y triple dash. So just differentiate. So it is 2 y double dash plus 3 e raised to x. That will be tending to y triple dash 0 is equal to 2 y naught double dash plus 3 e raised to x naught as it is. This is equal to, substitute it is 13. So 2 into 13 plus 3 into e raised to 0. E raised to 0 is 1. I will just repeat once again, e raised to 0 is 1. So it is 26 plus 3. It is going to become 29. So like this, we are going to find one by one. And I'll go for y4. It is very simple. So just I'll go for y raised to 4. So it is 2 y triple dash plus 3 into e raised to x as it is. Differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x. Y raised to 4 of 0 is equal to, substitute the values of y triple dash, it is 29 plus 3 into e raised to x naught. So everyone must understand. So I'm going slow. So many of them have got the answer. Substitute, get the answer. It is 61. So like this, students, I think many of them have got already the answer. I'm very happy. So substituting this in equation 1, this is our equation 1. So it is y of 0.2 is equal to 1 plus 0.2 into 5, that is y dash, our first value of iteration. So just I'll show you. So y dash is 5, substitute plus 0.2 square upon 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Y double dash is 13. It is here. Next plus 0.2 cube divided by 3 factorial, and y triple dash is 29 plus 0.2 raised to 4 upon 4 factorial, and it is 61. Substitute in the calculator, you are going to get the value y of 0.2. So it is 2.30276. So this is what we get the accurate answer. This is how we should get the answer. So just repeat once again. Just if we have any doubt, you can see. I'll just repeat this once again, students. So quickly I will finish this. This is what we have the question using Taylor series method. They have given dy by dx is equal to 2y plus 3 e raised to x. Y of 0 is equal to 1. Looking at this question, write the given immediately. To get the accurate values, I am going to go for the fourth order or fourth degree. So this is what the values you are going to substitute. Already y dash is given. So write every time, write the formula, then substitute one by one in this equation. After that, you have to find all this. Y dash we got here 5, y double dash we got 13, y triple dash we got 29, y raised to 4 we got 61. So every time you are going to go for the differentiation, then we get the y dash, y double dash, y triple dash, y raised to 4. Substitute in the Taylor series expansion all the values, then you are going to get the answer y of 0.2 is equal to 2.30276. Is it clear, student? So like this you have to practice and be ready. Okay, so just write
Sir,
down the next example. Yes.
sir, can you explain that y double dash? Because I got 2y dash plus 3 e raised to x.
2y, it is already given. 2y is given. Yes, what is the question you have? Y dash is equal to 2y plus 3 e raised to x. Correct. So when you differentiate y, we get y dash. If you differentiate y dash, you get y double dash.
Got it.
You
Got
can
it.
just, okay. So write down the third example. Find an approximate value of y when x is equal to 0.1 if dy by dx is equal to x minus y square and y is equal to 1 at x is equal to 0 using Taylor series. So this is a challenge. Already you have understood how to simplify Taylor series expansion. So everyone start solving this example and compare your answer with whatever I have solved. So everyone start ready with your pen and book. Start solving this example I have written on the screen, you can see. So before I have to simplify and complete it, you should finish it fast now. We'll go with the solution now. Let y dash is equal to x minus y square. So this is given. Okay. Then what else is given here? Already they have given y naught is equal to 1 and x naught is equal to 0 they have given. So from equation 1, you can see from equation 1 already I have written the equation 1 in example 2 above. So by using that equation, if it is possible, you write down this equation once again in the book. This is our equation, y of x is equal to y of x naught and so on. Rewrite this equation once again and keep this as equation 1. So just take this as equation 1. So you can rewrite this and substitute the values whatever they have given. So already it is given x naught is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0.1. So these values whatever they have given, substitute in the equation 1 by 1 and solve this example. So we'll let us see. When I substitute this value x naught is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0.1 in Taylor series expansion formula, so what I get here is y of x is equal to y of 0 plus 0.1 y dash of 0 plus 0.1 square upon 2 factorial y double dash of 0 plus 0.1 cube divided by 3 factorial by triple dash of 0. Till here everyone have understood substituting value and writing in the formula. So next step what you are going to do, you are going to first consider and find y dash of x is equal to. So what is y dash of x? Already it is given x minus y square. So what is going, if you substitute 0, you are going to get 0 minus 1 square which is equal to minus 1. So y dash we have got it here, it is minus 1. So we have calculated this. Next go for y double dash. Differentiation of 1 is y, differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of y square is 2y y dash. Remember the students, differentiation of y square is 2y y dash. So that implies, I will just tell you how to simplify this. I think some of your friends are getting confused here. So when you get this as u into v, but instead of u, will just substitute here it as y square. Differentiation of y square is y, keep 2y as it is, yes, and then differentiation of y. So it is going to become 2y y dash. Differentiation of y square is 2y y dash. I repeat once again. differentiation of y square is 2y y dash. Substitute the values. So we are going to get here, what is y? Already it is given 1, and y dash we have calculated it as minus 1. So substitute and then simplify.
So how minus
Yes.
1?
I just see it, the value what we have calculated in y dash. So y dash is equal to x minus y square. Am I right? So x is 0 as it is given in the example. You have substituted 0. 0 minus 1 square. Y naught is 1. You can see in here what we have here. Y naught is equal to 1 and x naught is equal to 0. Substitute. So 0 minus 1 square. 1 square is 1 only. So 0 minus 1 will become minus 1. Is it clear? Like this you are going to simplify. Okay, very good. Some of them have got the answer. Very good. Is it clear now? So y dash is equal to minus 1. So like this you are going to substitute the values. So we are going to get y double dash is equal to 3. That is plus 3. Next we are going to go for y triple dash x. Yes. So here y triple dash x is equal to, so differentiate again, we are going to get u into v. So 1 is 0. Here keep, how we are going to just simplify, I will just let you know. So it is 2y y dash we are going to differentiate. So you have to do it side by side, u into v. So 2 keep as it is, keep differentiate y, keep y dash as it is, plus now keep 2y dash as it is, differentiate y dash. So it is divided by x. So this is going to become 2y dash square plus 2y dash y double dash. So just I will write this differentiation directly. So first you have to do it side by. So I'll just put the values now. It is minus, so I will put minus only 2y dash y dash minus 2y dash square. Yes, it is correct answer, Karthik. So y triple dash 0 is equal to minus 2, y is 1, y double dash we have calculated it is 3. Yes. So substitute the values. So y double dash we have calculated here it as 3. Then it is minus 2 into minus 1 square. So when you put it in the calculator, you are going to get this value. So it is 2y dash square. So minus 1 square plus. So this is going to become minus 8. Substitute in equation 1. So already in equation 1 I have written in the example. So substitute this 1 by 1. You are going to get the value. Y of 0.1 is equal to 1 plus 0.1 into minus 1 plus 0.1 square upon 2 factorial 3 plus 0.1 cube upon 3 factorial, and this is minus 8. Substitute in the calculator. I think many of them have got the answer already. It is y of 0.1 is equal to 0.9138. So I'll just show you once again what I have done here. So this is what given, dy by dx is equal to x minus y square, and y is equal to 1 and x is equal to 0. So this is our y naught and x naught. Remember, substitute in the equation in the Taylor series expansion, y of x, the values you can see, substitute, y naught is equal to 1, x naught is equal to 0. Then immediately you have to solve y dash of x, y double dash of x, and y triple dash of x. So y dash we got minus 1, y double dash we got plus 3, y triple dash we have got minus 8. So this is also enough. Third degree is also enough. So substitute in the equation 1, that is Taylor series expansion, then you are going to get the value y of 0.1 is equal to 0.9138, or this is enough. Yes, I think many of them have got 0.9136. This is also correct answer. Yes. So very good, and many of them have got the answer, right? So immediately we'll go for the next example now. You be ready. Please be ready. So we'll see. Yes. Try to solve the next example. Like this, you have to solve the Taylor series or Taylor series expansion. So students, try to solve this example now. This is a challenge for everyone. Before I solve, you have to solve now. You should be ready with pen and paper. So first we'll go finish this example. So find the value of at x is equal to 1.02, correct to 5 decimal places. Yes, this is 5 decimal places. So with 3 degree, 5 decimal places means with 3 degree we can get. So we'll go for 3 degree only. So what is given here, students? X naught is equal to 1, y naught is equal to 2, and y dash is equal to dy by dx, which is equal to, I am going to take here xy minus 1. So this is given, students, already. If you look at the question, this much everyone must understand. At least you should write this given correctly. So we take up to third derivative or third degree. 3 degrees we are going to take here. For 5 decimal places we can try for third derivative. So write the Taylor series expansion formula first. So we should be fast now. Everyone must get the correct answer now. So I will substitute y of x is equal to y of 1 plus x minus 1 y dash of 1 minus 1 cube divided by 3 factorial y triple dash of x 1, and I am going to take here equation 1. So now I think this much everyone have understood. It is very clear, right? So like this, you have to, looking at the example, you should able to write this much given and the formula. Okay. Now what is the next step? Find y dash, y double dash, y triple dash. Okay, we'll start now. Consider y dash. So what is given here? Y dash is already given. It is xy minus 1. It is already given. Substitute the values. You know the value. X naught is 1, y naught is 2. So that is also given. Substitute here. So y dash 1 is equal to 1 into 2 minus 1 as it is. So which is equal to 1. I think everyone have got the y dash value is equal to 1. Go for y double dash. So differentiate, it is u into v. Keep x as it is, differentiate y dash. It is going to become y double dash, y dash plus. Keep y as it is, differentiate x, it is 1. So differentiation of 1 is 0, substitute as it is. So y double dash of 1, substitute the values. X is 1, substitute here 1. Y dash is also 1, that we have calculated above. So 1 into 1 plus y of 1, it is given 2. So 1 into 1 plus 2 is equal to, we get here 3. I think everyone have got y double dash as 3. So go for y triple dash, again u into v, students. Keep x as it is, differentiate y dash. Differentiation of y dash is y double dash plus Now keep y dash as it is. Differentiation of x is 1 and differentiation of y is y dash. So directly write here y dash and 0 is gone now. So that implies y triple dash of 1. Substitute the values. X naught is equal to 1, y naught is equal to 2. Substitute here. So 1 into 3 into plus 1 plus 1. It is 5. So I think everyone have understood what is y triple dash. We have got here 5. So what we have to find here? They have given the value of x. So we have to find y of 1.02. We are going to find so that x is equal to,
Excuse me, sir.
yes,
Sir, it is with respect to x. So y will be constant with respect to x.
9 y dash,
So there's a differentiation of y with respect to x, no?
yes, that is for partial differentiation.
So no, so you should keep y as constant. You're keeping x as constant here.
9 I have differentiated x also. It is 1. Differentiation of x is also 1. Differentiation of y is y dash. Differentiation of y dash is y double dash.
So both you should take no constant here.
No, no,
Like-
no constant. It is differentiation.
Two-
Partial differentiation, we will keep y as constant.
One
You are
constant
right.
and okay,
Yes,
okay.
that is for
Yes, sir.
partial differentiation. This is ordinary differentiation. Okay, so substitute the values. X is equal to 1.02. Yes, very good. Many of them have got the answer. Yes, it is correct. So substitute in the equation 1. Above I have given the equation 1. Substitute one by one all the values now. Y dash, y double dash, y triple dash. And x naught is equal to 1, y naught is equal to 2, and x is equal to 1.02. So all the values you are going to substitute here. Yes, everyone have got the answer. Very good, excellent. Okay. So y of 1.02 is equal to, you can see y of 1 or y is the value 2. So I'll just substitute 2 plus bracket 1.02 minus 1 plus 1.02 minus 1 square upon 2 into 3 plus 1.02 minus 1 cube upon 3 factorial is 6 into 5. So this is equal to, everyone have got the answer, 2.02061. Very good. So if you got the answer, so this is the correct answer. I think everyone have understood Taylor series expansion. Okay, so this is very, very important now. Today's homework, or today, one day I'm going to give, you have to submit till tomorrow. Everyone student, write down the question, example 4 and example 5. Use Taylor series method to solve dy by dx is equal to x minus y, y of 0 is equal to 1. Compute y of 0.1 considering the terms up to 4th degree. Answer also I have given. So everyone please write down this. Example 5, use Taylor series method to solve dy by dx is equal to x square y minus 1, y of 0 is equal to 1. Compute y of 0.03 using the expansion of y up to 2nd degree term. So answer I have given already. So please see that student,